Yo, what's going on, guys? And I've been on holiday, so that's why the last video was premiered. If you don't care about my holiday, skip to this timestamp. Yeah, I went on holiday. It's very nice. Had a few days. I bought quite a lot of stuff, one of which I'm going to be unboxing today. Yeah, it's been really fun. So that's why I had to premiere the video, filmed it early and stuff. I'm going to be back playing Eyes next week and the week after, just so I can complete it, and then I might play Granny after that. Yeah. So, what I got was from English Heritage, which, just take it out of the box. Oh, that's a spoiler. Big box, big heavy box. Yeah, I'll cut to top camera. Yeah, so bought this there. Super clean. Yeah. That's a spoiler. Okay. Oh, this is heavy. Remember blade safety, everyone. Put your blade away when you're not using it. Oh wow. But yeah, this is what I got. Amazing Nordic helmet. This is 18 gauge steel. 18 gauge steel helmet. And now I'm gonna try it on. Okay, so here it is. Move that away. Oh yeah, here it is compared to my head, so it's quite big. Now I can pick up the, put that back there so I can still pick up my desk. Okay, so this is a head protector thing that makes it more comfortable to wear. Straps. Okay, so it's a little bit big because I haven't tightened it yet. Got the chainmail. I'm net that proof. But yeah, it's supposed to sit about here. It's pretty nice. I need a little bit more padding. I have to tighten it. Okay, let's try it on again. And that's looking better. Yeah, nice piece centered. Oh wait, that's hanging out. yeah. So that got amazing. Yeah, so that's proper steel.